Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet this cute dragon. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 2.5mm hook. Let's start. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 is not considered as one stitch. Make 12 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Close the ring. Insert the hook on top of the first double crochet. Don't consider the 3 chains. This is my first double crochet and a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Round 2, chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, I made a standing single crochet and I consider this as 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. In fact, I have 2 double crochet into this one. Make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Make 2 double crochet into each stitch by the end of the row. And at the end you will have 24 double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Don't consider the standing single crochet on top of the first double crochet. Slip a stitch. Round 3, chain 1, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Make 2 double crochet into each stitch by the end of the round. And at the end you will have 48 double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Round 4, chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Make 1 single crochet into next 20 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 21 single crochet. Now insert the hook into the next stitch and make a slip stitch. Chain 4, skip the first chain and into the second chain make a single crochet. Slip a stitch into the next chain and slip a stitch into the next chain. Slip a stitch into the same stitch. Chain 6, skip the first chain and single crochet into the second chain. Single crochet into the next and make a slip stitch into next one and into next 2 chains. A slip stitch into the same stitch on the base. It's like this. Chain 4, skip the first chain, single crochet into the second chain, slip stitch into next, and slip stitch into next, and slip stitch into the same stitch. I've made these three all into the same stitch. And now go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet into the remaining stitches by the end of the round. At the end, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet and cut the yarn. For the eye, make a magic ring, chain 1 and make 6 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the ring and make a slip stitch into the first stitch, first single crochet, and cut the yarn. I made a knot at the back side. Now bring the white yarn, join the yarn into 1 stitch, back loop only, chain 1, make a slip stitch into the next stitch, back loop, make 2 single crochet into the next stitch, back loop only, 1, 2, make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, back loop only, 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, back loop only, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and slip stitch into the next stitch. For the ear, make a magic ring, chain 1 and make 3 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Close the ring, chain 1, turn, round 2, chain 1 single crochet into each stitch, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 and turn, round 3, 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and 1 single crochet into last stitch. I have 4 single crochet, chain 1, turn, Make one single crochet into each stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1 and turn. Round 5. Make one single crochet into the first stitch, 1 into the next, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into last stitch. I have 5 single crochet. Chain 1, turn. Next row, make one single crochet into each stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. 1 single crochet into first stitch, 1 into another, 2 single crochet into next stitch, 1 single crochet into next, and 1 single crochet into last stitch. I have 6 single crochet. Join the yarn into one loop. For example, I join it here. And chain 1. Slip a stitch into any loop next to it. Not so far and not so close. Here, for example, I'm trying to make one slip stitch for each row. You can see I'm taking one slip stitch into each row. There is no specific stitch here, and you should find it yourself. Slip stitch everywhere possible. And here, for this side that I have my stitches too, this is actually the last round of this cream color yarn. Chain 3 and a slip stitch into the first chain. Now a slip stitch into the next stitch. A slip stitch into the next. Chain 3. A slip stitch into the first chain. Slip stitch into the next stitch. And into the next stitch. Then chain 3. Slip stitch into the first chain. Slip stitch into the next space or stitch. Okay. And now slip stitch on this side. Go on until you reach the first slip stitch and make your last slip stitch. My lovely applique, dragon applique, is over. Hope you liked this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!